Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. Welcome back to your EVS class. Today date is 24 December 2020 and I am teaching you chapter number 20. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So in the previous video, student, we have completed the book exercises of the chapter, that is question number A. Question number A, fill in the blanks. Question number B, match the following. And question number C, write true or false. And question number D, give short answer to the following questions. This we have completed in our classwork copy. So take out your book and open page number 112. Question number E, answer the following questions. Name of the chapter, Unity in Diversity. So question number 1, why does our national, what does our national animal symbolize? What is Project Tiger? What does our national animal, what does our national animal symbolize? What is Project Tiger? So what was the name of the national animal of our country? Student, the name of the national animal of our country is tiger. Tiger is the name of the national animal of the country. And after that, it is asked, what does our national animal symbolize? why tiger is taken as the national animal of our country? So national animal tiger symbolize the power, strength, alertness and intelligence of the nation, because you know the national animal tiger, it symbolizes the power of the country, strength, alertness and intelligence of the nation. And after that, student, second part, it is asked, what is a Project Tiger? So Project Tiger is a tiger conservation program launched in 1st April 1973 by the Government of India to save tiger. See student, due to human activities to make our life more and more comfortable, we start cutting the forest, because when the population is increased, the demand of the food is also increased. So demand of the food is increased, then the demand of the land is also increased, because we need more land for the cultivation. हमें खेती करने के लिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या चाहिए थी बेटा? ज़मीन चाहिए थी. जब ह्यूमन बींग्स की पॉपुलेशन बढ़ी तो फूड की डिमांड भी बढ़ी, और फूड की डिमांड बढ़ी तो हमें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लैंड चाहिए था कल्टीवेशन के लिए. सो व्हाट वी डू, वी स्टार्ट कटिंग द फॉरेस्ट. So as we know that these forests are natural home of the wild animals. फॉरेस्ट क्या है? वाइल्ड एनिमल्स के नेचुरल होम्स हैं, बिकॉज दे लिव इन द फॉरेस्ट. नाउ व्हाट हैपन? ड्यू टू द कटिंग ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट, the population of the animal start decreasing. Population of the animals start decreasing due to the cutting of the trees in the forest. So the population of many animals is decreasing, because if we start cutting the trees of the forest, then what's happen? Where the animal will live, how they will survive, from where they get their food, because these carnivorous animal, because tiger is a carnivorous animal, it kill other animals and eat the flesh of the animals. So when number of trees are less, so number of herbivorous animal means plant eating animals, their population also decrease. Now these carnivorous animals, they are unable to find their food. अब उनको क्या होने लगा बेटा? फूड की कमी होने लगी. ठीक है. सो दीज एनिमल स्टार्ट कमिंग इनटू द विलेजेस. विलेजेस एरिया में भी ये एनिमल्स आने लगे फॉर हंटिंग द अदर हर्बिवोरस एनिमल्स, एंड मैनी ऑफ द एनिमल्स डाई, बिकॉज टू सेव आवर सेल्फ वी किल दिस एनिमल्स. अपने को सेव करने के लिए हमने इन एनिमल्स का बहुत ज्यादा शिकार भी किया. ठीक है. सो ड्यू टू आवर एक्टिविटीज, द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द टाइगर डिक्रीज. सो टू सेव द tigers and to इंक्रीज द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द टाइगर, क्योंकि बेटा जब फॉरेस्ट में आप फॉरेस्ट कट कर दोगे, ट्रीज रहेंगी नहीं, तो अब ये जो टाइगर है या और भी कार्निवोरस एनिमल्स हैं, ये क्या करते हैं, हार्बिवोरस एनिमल्स को किल करके उनका फ्लैश खाते हैं। तो जब प्लांट्स कम हो जाएंगे तो हार्बिवोरस एनिमल्स की पॉपुलेशन भी डिक्रीज होगी। सो फ्रॉम वेयर दे गेट द फूड, तो ये जो कार्निवोरस एनिमल्स थे ये विलेजेस एरिया में भी आने लगे फॉर हंटिंग, बिकॉज दे नीड द फूड। और ऐसे में बहुत से एनिमल्स क्या है, दे आर किल्डेड बाय द ह्यूमन, ठीक है, हम लोगों के द्वारा बहुत से एनिमल्स क्या किल भी हो गए। सो ड्यू टू दीज एक्टिविटीज द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द टाइगर इज डिक्रीजिंग। सो to save the tiger, because tiger is also our national animal, to save the tigers, so what the government has done, project tiger is, this project is or this program is started by the government to preserve or to save the tigers, okay. And when it was launched, this program was launched on 1st April 1973 by the government of India to save tiger, ठीक है। अगर ऐसा गवर्नमेंट नहीं करती तो once upon a time will come that we will see the pictures of the tiger in the video and in books only. So government launch a project to save the tigers so that their population also increase. So this is project tiger. Note down the answer. The tiger as the national, tiger as the national animal of India, tiger as the national animal of India symbolize the power, strength, alertness, and intelligence. Of the nation. देखो जैसे when I am explaining you about the what, when I am explaining you about the flag, at that time I tell you that deep saffron color, it stand for sacrifice, बलिदान का प्रतीक है। white color band stand for peace, शांति, and green color band start for prosperity, देश की खुशहाली का प्रतीक है। in the same manner why we choose tiger as the national animal of India, because टाइगर क्या है, बहुत ही चालाक, बहुत पावरफुल है, एनिमल है, ठीक है, और बहुत अलर्ट रहता है। आप लोग ने डिस्कवरी चैनल्स में भी देखा होगा कितना अलर्ट होता है ये, ठीक है, और कितने अच्छे ढंग से ये अपना शिकार भी करता है। सो दैट इज द रीजन वी चूज टाइगर एज द नेशनल एनिमल ऑफ इंडिया। और ये क्या सिंबलाइज करता है? द पावर, स्ट्रेंथ, अलर्टनेस एंड इंटेलिजेंस ऑफ द नेशन। इज इट क्लियर? नाउ प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर। प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर is a tiger कंजर्वेशन मतलब किसी चीज को बचाना, ठीक है। टाइगर कंजर्वेशन प्रोग्राम launched in launched in 1st April 1973। टाइगर प्रोग्राम कंजर्वेशन प्रोग्राम लॉन्च इन 1 अप्रैल 1973। जब गवर्नमेंट ने देखा, इंडिया गवर्नमेंट में, कि डे बाय डे द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ दिस एनिमल इज डिक्रीजिंग, so to save the tigers, government of India launched a program on 1st April 1973 by the government of India to save tiger। So the tiger as the national animal of India symbolize, ये क्या दिखाता है? The power, strength, alertness and intelligence of the nation। Project Tiger is a tiger conservation program launched in 1st April 1973 by the government of India to save tiger। Note down student, or you can also take a screenshot also। Question number 2, why are national symbols important? Okay, so see student, national symbols are very important because they carry idols and concept based what symbol represent, that they bind the nation together and stand for our country and represent our country India. So see the national symbols, main your national flag, national anthem and national emblem. These are your national symbols. Is it clear? These are your national symbols. So student, these symbols, due to these symbols, I have already explained you in the beginning of the chapter also. In our country India, there is unity in diversity. Why we use this word diversity? Because people belonging to different religions, that is Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christians, Buddhisms, Jainisms. So people belonging to different religions are living in different parts of the country, and according to the constitution our country is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. If you visit in different states of the country, student, you will find there is a lot of difference in the culture of the people, the way they are living. In different parts of the country, people spoke different languages. Our mother tongue is Hindi, but in different part of the country, you will observe that the people spoke different types of languages. Even their eating habit or type of traditional dress they wear, you will find lot of difference if you visit the different states of our country. But due to these national symbols bind us together. That is the reason we say unity in diversity. And these symbols stands, for example, if you take the national flag, deep saffron color, it stands for what? Sacrifice. White color stand for peace. Is it clear? Green color for prosperity. And in the same manner, when we sung national anthem, then we all stand in a attention position. So these symbols binds us together. And note down the answer. National symbols national symbol are important because they carry idols and concept based on what symbol represent. That is, they bind the nation that is, they bind the nation together and stand for our country. Stand for our country and represent our country India. So student, national symbols are important because they carry ideals and concept based on what symbol represent. That is, they bind the nation together and stand for our country and represent our country India. Is it clear? So that is the reason student, these national symbols are very important. That is the reason these national symbols are very important. Now the next question, that is question number 3. Name any 3 things that have the national emblem. Why? So student, name any 3 things that have the national emblem. Why? So we find national emblem on all currency notes. This I have already explained you. You will find this on the currency notes, coins and papers of the government. They are found on the above mentioned because they carry meaning, value and ideals. So when you see the currency of our country, whether it is a note, a coin or any government paper, you will observe that student, you will find this national emblem, or they are found on the above mentioned because they carry meaning, values and ideals. They facilitate communication and identification on the currency. So student, by seeing these symbol, is it clear? By seeing these symbols on the currency, we identify or we see that this is the currency of our country India. When we see this national emblem on our currency notes, coins and government papers, then what we realize? We realize that this is the currency of our country, and these paper also belong to our country, that is India. Is it clear? So student, you Open page number 109. A national emblem symbol is given on page number 109. It is written here also Satyamev Jayate. So please draw this in your classwork copy. Okay, thank you students.